LKG class with extraordinary skills and memory power. Our student of LKG, Abhinav, has an extraordinary talent and memory and can correctly recollect and tell the names of inventors who invented various things, a total of 65 in all. To showcase his talent, I would request Mrs. Malati Ganesh, Director, Smart Kids Educate India Private Limited, to come up on the stage and put Abhinav's talent to test. Malati ma'am. Can we have Abhinav on stage, please? So you're back, Abhinav. Good evening. Good evening. So you've come back again.
Same child sir was talking about, that he has been a wonder child last year and he's got a year's fee waiver. It is only because of the parents who have given the quality time. And let me see how he does this. I think every time you're putting me to test your child. Good evening, Abhinav. Come here. Who is the inventor of cinematograph? Edison. And computer?
Charles Babbage.
Microphone?
David Hughes.
Motorcycle?
Edward Butler.
Wow. Watch?
Abraham and Biguet.
Artificial heart?
Paul Winchell.
Fahrenheit thermometer?
Fahrenheit.
Cornflakes?
Kellogg.
Cinema?
Lumiere Red Dot.
Radium?
Marian Curie.
Razor?
Ridet.
Play-Doh?
Louis Joseph.
Phonograph?
Edison.
Microwave oven?
Spencer.
Blue jeans?
Device Soft.
Penicillin?
Band of Walker.
Stethoscope?
Reed Linux.
Letterbox?
Beckett.
Logarithms?
John Napier.
Crayons?
Edmund Humphrey.
I have randomly selected few things, just a few from the whole list, and this child was able to tell. It means that he has not by-hearted the whole paper.
So,
Just imagine, parents, I would just like to put, this is what is the quality time we need to spend for our children. Yeah, you can come. This is the quality time spent by the parent with the child. Quality time means, it does not mean that I spend 3 hours per day with my child, or I spend 5 hours a day with my child. It is, even if you spend 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it is the quality time without any interruption of the phone call, your husband, your in-laws, your kitchen. Without spending time on anything, if you are able to spend this quality time with your child, I think all the children will be wonderful. They will be a real genius. They have a tremendous capacity to grasp. I think next year I'll have another 50 students like this on the stage, so that I may have to give all the fee waiver to them. Okay, wish you all the best, parents. And congratulations Mrs. Mala Dastur and Mr. Dastur for having this wonder child. And congratulations to parents of Abhinav.
Thank you, Abhinav, and thank you, ma'am. That was a stunning job, Abhinav. I would like to mention here that Abhinav has performed on this stage in our last year's annual day, recollecting capitals of over 100 countries and all Indian state capitals, and has entered in the Indian Book of Records. So can we once again hear it for Abhinav, please?